Mheshimiwa Timothy Bosire asokora kwa na kwani baka na Council of Elders actually this morning na kwa na Council of Elders baka ntinga kana ngelinga Mheshimiwa Tabwate Bobe Mheshimiwa Bosire nande we have come actually to notice he might have not had very bad intentions in Tangokora. What he only lacked is communication because to cross especially na gusi moment to gwata bono nelinga actually any MP or MCA or anyone who wants to gusi to anjiri ko chamo negesako. Now what we are fighting now no go chamo negesako. Onebwenze go to divide we will not accept. And therefore Mheshimiwa Kibagenda or any other person they are steadily behind Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. We must only understand one fact. Ninta tabantu ba differentiate ebiongozi bale birogo ba kolega asiboniga nondo kuriye kirogo. Umuntu kuriye kirogo gasi yakwatira kubuka mambeta Matiang'i baka maragoba aye guchikura. Lakini njende kirogo Mheshimiwa gavana ole kirogo Mheshimiwa ole kirogo na bwate responsibility. So Mheshimiwa Kibagenda has a responsibility ko legasi kitutu chaje south. Eger RPO na cha support Matiang'i faida na cha bolunga ki Mheshimiwa Kibagenda ulitengeneza barabara amaba ta yeni ndosti para pono to support Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. It is not the same as umuntu kulichukura era bako kama mimi taba Matiang'i yeko correct ogenda. So into you must appreciate the fact na njema msio must request I have a responsibility to work for the people because beyond kubata ego tia Matiang'i na hande boy gonita ke ile korra bantu iteka igasi to go differentiate with them to tige bitine binge eto ko nyana twachire esabali rengia. Number 1 nta tembe very clear and this one will come bwango yo Mheshimiwa Matiang'i na nana the last time igata ta coalition he has decided eraba accommodative abante bare tobote mbara bako mate ya rosi kia mekenya chaka fresh mbara bako teba agenda gusabere Jubilee abande bate batianda bere UPA. What we have agreed muna bande bi mbara bako mo support ngeringa it will make a coalition e actually enta ko bara nini emet very soon mara to saini mkataba to ko agree ngankia maki na kiama kibiko gwatara nasi njoko se coalition. Mheshimiwa Matiang'i igara approach any discussion kago tumia coalition ebwate kiama ya Jubilee kiama kia UPA Kenya Social Congress na kiama kia PNU na kelikeni ya PDP ne binde bra kwenda gocha na kana kalo kero kwe bas na ebi ngebire there are almost 10 12 so far we kira lero ebi amebio spimbi chama pero simu katapa memorandum of understanding tumai kwa girin kiama kikire strong ya segete egere tugenda ko gwatira namo wikatwekire asichikura tu agenda Busia juice ena go gata sana kana igwetu mugabana Busia oro anodia mugabana nkarora oyo mitaba na mwambo ro ambassador serikali ya Boniga na Wanjara na ro ODM kurugari Busia ekerba ruete record ya Matiang'i ekera ngesa serikali ena bete breast no musigota gara mwana ito na basi kire pakesa igo performance yo Mheshimiwa Matiang'i is known na everyone who is doing whatever they are doing kero mondo mo piragwa at the end of the day to mera negati to watrosi timu yamo era nyara kama chincho borai abanta banga bale Kenya moja mwarole Kenya moja ebwate youthful MPs usole wata control opinion kurwase president because aba to boss bara ali barazimio uskuli ya banga barazimio na serikali meaning na abantu batakira ko gas na serikali but batwa control opinion starting from the SG for ODM or Yuri Sifuna. My understanding nelinga abantu bali barali bonse bisu kubali na abantu ba Matiang'i, so they are solidifying the ground for him. He is actually a plus eba gutara Kenya bakore babateye murayo myanero.